Welcome back to Dad Deals for the top things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in February 2024. Harbor Freight just dropped a bunch of new coupons and we'll go through them in this video. As usual, the green price titles that you see pop up on the screen are deals available to everyone, and the blue price labels are ITC only deals, and we'll save those to the end and I'll have my top picks from those. So sit back, relax, and let's look at the top deals this month. This month, Harbor Freight is having Predator Generator Days where you can get 20% off all of their Predator generators. These generators have really become some of the most popular ones out there, and they have everything from the inverter generators to the open frame ones, and they're really known as some of the best values out there. Their prices are great, and this 20% off can get you an even better price. And this sale goes all the way to Sunday, February 18th. First up in the coupon deals is this Fortress 1 gallon 135 PSI ultra quiet job site air compressor. It is on sale right now for just $130. And these things truly are ultra quiet. If you haven't experienced one, they are so much quieter than your typical pancake or hot dog air compressor out there. This has a rating of just 57 decibels and has a nice carry handle and open frame design. But yeah, as you can see here, it's 80% quieter than similar air compressors out there. That's a lot of percent quieter. It's also lightweight and has an integrated cord wrap as well. So a great deal on this ultra quiet air compressor. If you don't mind a noisy air compressor and you need some more capacity, here's the 8-gallon McGraw hot dog style compressor that's capable of 150 PSI, kind of your typical one that you see here. And this is $140 this month. And then your classic pancake style version. This is the 6-gallon capacity. It's only $100, but this thing is loud. So definitely wear hearing protection. And then to go along with any air compressor that you can get this nice 17-piece starter set that comes with the blowgun and some quick connects for just $7. The battery operated liquid transfer pump is just $8. Every time I post this, I get some comments about using this with gasoline. Now I should really be careful. I've personally used it without any issues. It even says here in the description that you can use it on gasoline. But for me, this is a quick and easy way to fill up my riding lawnmower if I'm using a large capacity gas container. But you can also move a bunch of other type of liquids like water from a hole that you're digging or anything else. And this is 38% off at just $8. The Maddox brand at Harbor Freight really makes some great quality tools for auto work. And here's their body and fender set. It's a 7-piece set with a nice case that is 20% off at $40. And then they also have their bearing remover and installer kit is a 21-piece set for $90. The Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack with that rapid pump is $120 this month. If you have a low vehicle, this can easily slide under it, and these are nice jacks. If you have a heavy vehicle, the Daytona 12-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands are just $130 this month. That's $20 off the normal price. You can pick up this 12-piece assorted length bungee cords for just $6. I like that these have the nice thin hooks on them that can easily slide in whatever you're trying to strap down. And then the Hallmaster 500-pound capacity ratcheting tie-down straps, the 4-pack is $12. This is kind of your step up from the cheapest ones Harbor Freight sells, and $12 is a great price for these. These rubber wheel chocks are actually pretty heavy duty, and these have the eye bolt in them so you can strap them down or tie them down to something, but these are on sale for just $12. The Thunderbolt 100-watt solar panels are really highly rated, and they perform great at a nice price, and these are $20 off at $100. These are some really nice wire strippers and crimpers from Quinn. These are $18 on sale, and they can strip, cut, and crimp wire from 10 to 24 gauge, and I've really been impressed with other Quinn tools that I have. The Pittsburgh 130-piece tool set is on sale at $30. This is a great kind of first homeowner set. Makes a great housewarming gift, but it kind of gives you all your essentials for $30 in a nice case. The Pittsburgh combination wrench set 14-piece set is on sale for $35. You can choose either standard or metric. And the Icon Precision Snap Ring Plier set 8-piece set is $50. That's 33% off the normal price. Also from Pittsburgh, you have their 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch drive Starbit socket set 9-piece set is just $6 this month. And then of course, zip ties are only 99 cents for a 100-pack. These little magnetic hooks come in a 4-pack and they're just $3 right now. But these can hold about 5 pounds of weight and are great for storing cords or hand tools, or we actually use it to attach to an IKEA cart that we got, and they work great. The Braun 175 lumen portable work light is just $5. This has a magnetic base and can swivel 360 degrees and also has a nice hook at the top. So just a nice all-around work light for just $5. These security stick lights are solar powered and are just $9. They can deliver up to 115 lumens of light, but they're super easy to install. You literally just stick them up and then they're powered by the sun. So no wiring or anything like that, no batteries. So these can be nice on a fence or a shed or anywhere like that, and easy to use, $9. The Hardy High Vis work gloves are just $2.30. And then the cut resistant version is just a little bit more at $3.50. Moving blankets, if moving's in your future this spring, or maybe you just want to use them to store stuff in your attic, these are just $7. And then hand trucks, the 4-in-1 convertible hand truck is $175. This has a lot of different positions that it can be used in. The Bauer forced air sort of torpedo style propane heater is $85. That's 15% off. I still haven't seen this one in my local store. It is out of stock everywhere I look. I've really wanted to get my hands on this one and test it, but they just really seem to not be able to keep this in stock. So if it's in your area, you can get a good deal on it right now. Let me know in the comments below if you already have it and how it works. The Bauer Random Orbital Polisher and Sander is $50. And the Bauer Spade Handle Drill Mixer is just $50. And the Variable Speed Rotary Hammer is $80. Also from Bauer, they have their 8-volt. This is the cordless rotary toolkit, also variable speed, that comes with a 40-piece accessory set, is 20% off at $40. Some canvas drop cloths are always great to have on hand, and these are on sale right now for $7. The Quinn Putty Knife set is a really nice set that even comes with that kind of multi-use painter's tool, is $9. That's 25% off the normal price. The parts cleaner, the ultrasonic cleaner, is $70. You can clean some random parts that you have, or also clean your wife's jewelry. So if you need a reason to buy this thing, make sure you use that. Ammo cans are great for storing things. These are back on sale at just $10. The Hercules 17-inch tool tote with 19 pockets around it is $25. I actually use the Voyager version of this as sort of a grill caddy, and it works great. And I think this Hercules one is actually better made than that one. So if you don't need it for a tool bag, there's a lot of uses for these. The US General 22-inch in lockers are really popular, and they're $100 off right now at just $300. They come in all the colors that you imagine they would come in, and they're compatible with either the Series 3 cabinets or Series 2. Your Pittsburgh spring clamps are just $1. Your LED string lights, 24-foot strands, are $18. These are great for adding to a back deck or patio, and it's nice to see these LED versions back on sale. The Little Giant Copycat, this is the multifunction ladder that can be either a step ladder or extension one, is $110 right now for ITC members. The US General 30-inch service cart, I love this little cart. I actually use mine to store all my auto detailing stuff. And the Series 2 one is on sale right now for just $100 for ITC members. These come in a bunch of different colors to match your garage and are just great carts. The Portland electric pole saw is $65 this month. If you need to do any spring pruning, these things come in really handy. The Pittsburgh Pro deep socket set that's color coordinated is only $10 right now. You can get this nice Badlands foldable utility shovel that'd be great to store in your truck for about $13. The Merlin pistol grip inflator with the analog gauge is $40. This is a really nice inflator. Merlin's kind of their premium air brand at Harbor Freight, and this has a nice little extension on the end. It's rare to see name brand stuff go on sale at Harbor Freight, and here we have the Blaster Surface Shield. I use this stuff all the time. It's great as a rust protectant if you have any outdoor tools or equipment that you're just worried about getting rusted out. Spray it with this stuff, and it really does a great job at protecting it. And you can get this stuff for just $8.50. The stackable bins are just $1.50 for ITC members. These are great for organizing. They stack on top of each other. They can attach to a wall, and they're kind of the updated version of those little slots that every dad had back in the day. The Braun 1250 lumen rechargeable battery bank work light is about $20 right now for ITC members. But this is not only a work light, but also can be used to charge your phone or any other small devices that you have. It has a nice built-in stand to it and a nice light here. The Pittsburgh pliers set that comes with kind of anything you need, a great starter set to a tool collection, is just $10 right now. And then last up, we have the Daytona 4-ton floor jack with the rapid pump technology. It's just $180 for ITC members. This comes in 4 different colors that you can choose from and is a really nice heavy-duty jack. That's it this month. If there's anything I missed, make sure you leave a comment below. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on Dad Deals.